I have 3 words for you: lemon pepper chicken. The ingredients you're going to need are parsley, low sodium chicken broth, kosher salt, flour, butter, garlic, extra virgin olive oil, lemon pepper seasoning, lemon, and of course your chicken. We're ready for our first step. I have 2 pieces of boneless, skinless chicken breasts. I've cut them in half. Now I'm going to pound them flat. All right, our chicken is flat. Thanks to Mark for his help. And here are my ingredients. I've got flour. I'm going to put in the bowl. Salt, kosher salt, and our lemon pepper seasoning. And this is the base of what we're going to put the chicken in. We're going to dredge it in this. But one last ingredient, and that is I need a zest of 1 lemon. So I've got my zester, I've got my lemon. All right, let's see. Make sure you get it totally coated. Shake off any excess. And we'll just continue the step with the other pieces. All right, I'm going to wash my hands, then we're going to move over to the stove. I have 2 pieces of garlic. I'm going to put them in my grater. One is really big. We're also going to need lemon slices. So very thin. I'm going to slice my lemon. That's a good size. Maybe 1/2 inch. Getting this ready for our final step. On medium to medium-high heat, we're going to add our oil. About 2 tablespoons. Then we're going to add our chicken. That looks good. So about 5 minutes on the first side. I'm going to add my 1/2 cup of chicken broth. And our garlic. And our butter. 2 tablespoons of butter. And our lemon slices. think I'll move. Oop, nope, won't move that one. Not with my fingers. There we go. I'm going to turn it down a little bit lower. And then I'm going to chop my parsley so I have that ready. Beautiful. Okay, let's test it and see. Oh, it looks like it's ready. All right, I'm keeping it warm while I'm cooking our rest of our dinner. And now I'm going to put freshly cut parsley on it. That is more than enough parsley. Well, it looks good. All right, I'll cover it. We'll be ready to eat in a few minutes. Those look beautiful. Those look beautiful. All right. One for each of us. We're going to have jasmine rice with it and some carrots. Let me see if I can get some sauce here. All right, so trip down memory lane. Mark might not remember this, but I made this chicken years ago for our son's birthday party. And we had over 30 people here.
I do.
Okay, good. So I more than quadrupled the recipe and everybody loved it.
Yeah, it was gone pretty quick.
So.
And with that much lemon and, oh man, the kitchen smelled great. Smells good today too. Mm-hmm. This was pretty quick.
It was. And you could certainly make this in the crock pot. Just, brown it in the stove, on the stove, and then put it in your crock pot. Oh, wow.
That's good.
This is really good.
I think the most important thing in this recipe is getting the chicken flat.
So, of course, we want you to like and subscribe. Now, like means giving us a thumbs up. That lets us know you like the video, and it also lets YouTube know you like the video. And we'll show you more of these kind of videos very soon, right?
Yep.
Thanks for watching. Bye.